grab the tail and wrap it around your middle finger, crisscrossing the working yarn in the front with the tail hanging down. Now go under the tail, grab your working yarn and do a chain. So this is how we'll start our magic ring. The chain is there, but it's not written in the pattern. We assume that we all do it. And then we do 6 single crochets. So this was row 1. Grab your marker. We are ready for row 2. Into the first single crochet, we will do an increase, which means 2 single crochets. And then we'll do an increase in each stitch, which means each stitch will get 2 single crochets for a total of 12 single crochets at the end of the round. Back here at the beginning, now I can tighten my magic ring. Move your marker under your hook, and now the next row will be increase, and then 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And then we have increase again, and 1 single crochet into the next stitch till the end of the round. Row number 4 starts with an increase, and 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches. Row number 5 starts with an increase and 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. We go in a continuous spiral, so we do not slip stitch into the first stitch. Row number 6 starts with an increase and 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches. Oh, I forgot to put my marker here. It's right here. And the last row starts with an increase and 5 single crochets into the next 5 stitches. So now you can pull your marker and close the little gaps here and there. So here it is, a bunch of coasters made with the same pattern, but if you use a thicker yarn or smaller hook or use a bigger hook, they'll all change in size. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe. So now that our coaster is ready, we'll start with the snowman's head. We'll start with a magic ring. Get your tail in front of the working yarn, crisscrossing it, go under the tail, grab your working yarn, and do a chain. Now after this chain, we'll do 6 single crochets. 1, grab your marker, and now let's go to the beginning again, and we'll increase in every stitch. So 2 single crochets into each stitch. Now we can tighten our magic ring even better. And we'll keep going. Next row will be, let me move my marker to the front, will be 1 increase, so 2 stitches in the same stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next single crochet. So 1 increase and a single crochet. We'll repeat that till the end of the round. For the next 3 rounds, we will not be increasing anymore. We'll just have those stitches going, and just like this, we'll have a ball. So for 3 rounds, no increases. I'll see you when I'm done. So after those 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, we will start decreasing. So we'll have 1 decrease, and we are decreasing by picking the front loop of the next 2 stitches. So 2 front loops, tighten, and then pull for a single crochet here. And then we have 1 single crochet next to the decrease, and then we have decrease again, so front 2 loops, tighten, and then we have 1 single crochet, and then we have a decrease again, tighten here, And we'll keep repeating that till the end of the round. So we'll put the eyes between row 3 and 4. And I will leave a link for all these supplies in the description below. So leave 3 stitches between the eyes. And I'll be more than happy if you purchase from those links, or at least go and check them out. I do get a small commission for using the links. They're free for you to use. They cost nothing, but they do help me support my channel and keep all these patterns and tutorials free for everyone to use. So we'll put the packings as well, and then we'll stuff. While you're here, you can use the moment to embroider the nose on your little snowman. So our next row will be decrease in every stitch. So we'll be grabbing the front loops of 2 stitches next to each other, and we'll make a single crochet there. So this is 1 decrease. So the next 2 stitches will also pick their front loops and pull for a single crochet. And then this is the decrease. And I'll go till I reach the marker again, which is 6 times. So there we are at the last one here. And I'm pulling my yarn a little bit longer. I'll pull my marker from here, and I'll get my tapestry needle. I'll use the front loops of the stitches to tighten that last row. And now we can sew it to here where the last stitches of the coaster. We'll just sew it just like that, a little bit tilted because our snowman is melting. So let's do the sticks of the snowman. I got some brown yarn here. Now I'll get my crochet hook, and I will start from here, from that 3rd row, 1, 2, 3, closer to the head. I'll make a little slip knot here and grab that slip knot through my work, and I will do 3 slip stitches here for all those 3 rows, and that last one there. When you reach the edge of your coaster, we'll do 3 more chains, and then we can cut our yarn here. This is the stick, the end of the stick. And then getting your yarn, but leaving about 3 inches longer tail, go through the same stitch here, and then using the tail, do 3 chains, and then you have the 2nd stick of the snowman's hands, and then we still have the tail of the yarn. Go and use that tail here through the middle and do 3 more chains with it, and you can cut it off as well. And when you tighten that last stitch, these will be sticking out like sticks, and then just trim them shorter. And here is your snowman, all melting. When you drink your hot drink, of course it's gonna melt. I hope you like this little tutorial. Watch the next tutorial about the snowman in a globe, and the other tutorial after that is about a snowman bubble that you can decorate your tree, or you can have it in a keychain. It's at the All Snowman series here. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.